Hello. Yes, this was the question of creditor turnover ratio and payment period in terms of month. Okay, you have to calculate both the calculation over here. So credit purchase, they have given you 10 lakh. After they have given you the creditor opening, creditor closing also they have given you. So you have to multiply with this 2 lakh plus 1 lakh upon 2 because we want the average amount. After calculating this, they have given you the provided you the bills payable amount, opening plus closing. So 40,000 plus 60,000, it comes to 1 lakh upon 2. So you will get a 50. So this is the solution for this. That is credit purchase. They have given you the 10 lakh in the question directly. But for calculating the average creditor, we have taken as a 2 lakh because 1 lakh 50 was your average creditor and 50,000 was your bills payable average. So 1 lakh 50 plus 50, it comes to 2 lakhs. So total average creditor, it's 2 lakh because as I told you, the average creditor includes bills payable amount and creditor amount, but both are average. Both should be the average amount. So it comes to 10 lakh upon 2 lakh, it comes to 5 times. That is creditor turnover is 5 times. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next formula you have to calculate is payment period in the terms of month. Okay, so the formula you have to get the reverse, that is average creditor upon credit purchase, but multiply with the 12, that is in terms of month they have told you. So you have to multiply with the 12. Suppose if they have told you to in terms of weeks, so you have to multiply with the 52. Clear? But they are talking about the month, so we have to take the this formula also. We have to do this average creditor upon credit purchase multiply with the 12. So 2 lakh upon 10 lakh multiply with the 12. So you got the 2.4 months. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this was the last ratio. Okay, so we have seen the all types of ratio, that is liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity ratio, profitability ratio we have seen, the market value ratio we have seen. Okay, so we have done with all the ratios over here. If anyone got the doubt, just let me know कि किसी को कोई भी ratios में कुछ doubt है calculating में, because अगर आपको formula याद है you can solve it as a directly. So in this sum, in this chapter you have to calculate as a, you have to remember the formula also. So you can easily calculate the ratios. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so आपको यहाँ पे रेशियो पूरा कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा तो ही सॉल्व हो पाएगा वो. ठीक है? So we have done with the ratios chapter also. So we have done the accounts reconciliation topic, advanced journal entry topic, companies topic also we have done, depreciation and company final account, cash flow and ratio. We have done with the 7 topics over here. Okay, the next 2 topics we have left, that is online finalization we have to do and the profit screening we have to do. Before I start online finalization of accounts and the profit screening, I'll let you know the how to solve in the exam this question, because मैंने आपको बताया था कि ये सब क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में एक्सेल पे सॉल्व करना है. सो आपको एक्सेल पे कैसे सॉल्व करना है वो हम लोग देखेंगे. क्लियर एवरीवन? हेलो.
Yes.
हाँ, तो वो एक्सेल पे कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस सम्स इन द एक्सेल विल सी द टुमारो. ओके, एंड बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट 2 टॉपिक्स, दैट इज ऑनलाइन फाइनलाइजेशन, मैं आपको पूरा रिवाइज करा दूंगी एक बार, बिकॉज ये सब पूरा हो जाएगा थियोरी आपके दिमाग में एकदम अच्छे से, फिर अपन वो प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट पे जाएंगे. बिकॉज अभी हम लोग थियोरी पार्ट तक अभी तक हम लोग क्लियर है. The 2 topics is left that I have told you in the first lecture only, that is the practical chapters, that is 8 chapter or 9 chapter, that is online finalization of profit screening. The both chapter are the practical. You have to do the practical things. Clear everyone? So वो हम लोग कल देखेंगे. So हम लोग को okay. So next is we have to मैं आपको बता दूंगी कि आपको एक्सेल पे कैसे सॉल्व करना है, और उसके पहले हम लोग जितने भी टॉपिक हमारे हुए हैं वो सब हम लोग रिवाइज कर लेंगे. तो आप लोग अपने टाइप से भी रिवाइज करो, अपने वहां से भी, मैं भी आप लोग को रिवाइज करवा दूंगी। क्लियर एवरीवन? तो आप लोगों को क्लियर हो
Yes,
जाएगा
ma'am.
कैसे, बिकॉज एक आध जन कोई एब्सेंट होगा बीच में, सो वो लोग को क्लियर हो जाएगा। ओके
Yes, ma'am.